Okay, this is your boy. Oh my god. As you can see, a lot of people are playing in the snow. How is it?
Oh, it's good.
As you can see, this is a foot. This is about, I'm suggesting 2 feet of snow. Wow, this is a blizzard. This is your boy, Neil Gonzalez, Weather X45, Winter Storm Jonas. Oh! You saw that? Oh, slippery conditions! You saw that? Wow, I got that car on videotape. Here comes the strong gusty winds, people. It is terrible. Look at this. Look at this, people. Wow. This is terrible. You can see that Winter Storm Jonas hit real hard. This is terrible. Hope you guys like this video. This is Neil Gonzalez, Weather X45. Everyone stay home, it's really bad. Peace out.